we can't forget about the structure that housed all this activity.
You're right. The ovary undergoes this pretty dramatic transformation of its own, developing into a fruit.
Fruit?
Yeah.
Now we're talking.
And that's, probably your favorite part of plant reproduction.
Well, I have to admit, the edible outcome is definitely a plus.
Of course.
But I always thought fruits were just about protecting the seeds.
Well, that's one purpose, but there's more to it than that.
Okay, so what else is going on?
So the fruit serves multiple purposes.
Okay.
Protection is definitely one of them.
Yeah.
So that ovary wall thickens.
Yeah.
Develops into the pericarp.
Pericarp. Okay.
Which can take on, so many different forms.
Okay.
Depending on the plant.
So the pericarp is like the fruit's outer layer.
It is.
Okay. What kind of forms can it take?
Well, think about the difference between a peach and a walnut.
Okay.
A peach has this fleshy, juicy pericarp that animals just, can't resist.
Yeah.
But a walnut has this hard, woody pericarp that's like armor plating.
Makes sense. But why would a plant want its fruit to be eaten?
Ah, you're forgetting about seed dispersal.
Oh, right.
So that juicy peach is going to be eaten by an animal.
Yeah.
Which will then wander off, right? And eventually deposit that seed, maybe with a little bit of fertilizer, in a new location far away from the parent plant.
It's like a free ride.
It is.
For the seed.
Exactly. So fruits are these cleverly designed vehicles for spreading seeds far and wide.
And that explains why some fruits are adapted for wind dispersal, right?
Yeah.
Like, the ones with those wings or parachutes.
Right.
And others are designed to float on water.
Exactly. The diversity of fruit types.
It really is amazing.
Is incredible.
But there's another twist
to
this story, right? Not all fruits develop from a fertilized ovary.
That's right.
What?
Yeah.
Fruits without fertilization. How is that possible?
Some plants can produce fruits without fertilization.
Wow.
It's a process called parthenocarpy.
Parthenocarpy?
Yeah, and a good example of this is bananas.
Bananas.
The bananas that we eat are actually seedless.
Right.
Because they develop from unfertilized ovaries.
So seedless bananas, that's incredible. But if there's no seeds, how do banana plants even reproduce?
They reproduce asexually through these suckers that sprout from the base of the plant.
Okay, so it's like cloning.
Yeah, it's kind of like cloning.
Okay, so it makes sense.
Yeah.